Hi, my name is Shannon Lynn Burton, and I am the Associate University Ombudsperson at Michigan State University. At this year's IOA conference, I am offering two sessions, one as a pre-conference, the research primer for the Ombuds, and the second on academic writing for the Ombuds. Many Ombuds do not have practice in doing research or practice in doing academic writing. Both of these skills are extremely important to our field as we're trying to expand the knowledge available to those within the field and outside of the field as to what our best practices are, what our history is, as well as what direction we see the field going into. These sessions are really offered to help Ombuds gain those skills so that they can contribute to our knowledge base. These sessions are for those Ombuds who want to gain some skills in the areas of doing research, as well as what journals might be looking for in terms of authors. Additionally, it hopes to build a community for Ombuds who want to do research so that they can build connections, build partnerships, and work together on research projects and writing in the future. In the pre-conference workshop, individuals who attend will walk away with a plan for doing research. They will get to focus on an area that they have interest in and look at the different methodologies and what methodology might suit their study and how they might develop an action plan moving forward to actually conduct that research. In the academic writing for the Ombuds session, participants will be able to think about the different ways that we can write for academic journals, as well as think about something that they might want to write on and share that with the larger group. I'm most excited about attending the session on systemic dignity. I've recently read Donna Hicks' book and I'm really excited to explore that topic further with a group of colleagues also interested in the topic.